It's a 2015 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability makes every trip the perfect journey. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, 4 12-volt power outlets, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend writes, the Escape's brake feel is solid and linear. Pedal pressure corresponds nicely to brake force, making them easy to modulate and confidence-inspiring. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. The time is now. See it for yourself today.